Guess what the mix up? Them say them back gun pan Switzerland in a ice cream Sunday. Then me Switzerland do a ice cream Sunday. Eh?
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all.
You talk about me bitter. All the people smell like single Bible. Girl, you're not supposed to, your pancreas supposed to at ease. Cause everything in you bitter. You talk about me bitter. Which part of me can bitter? Man ever suck your toe yet? Man ever suck your toe yet? You get a step in a shit. And you not remove it. What you say? Eat bottom. What you say? I don't understand. A bitter old. I don't know what do I. You come back one. All the cedar weed. I know many better come on today. Many better come on today. I see them open the kennel. Look at the mongrels. They might come out come back. But by the time I'm not done back, I'm full of rabies and scabies. For sure. But darling, how are you? Then when me and you couple up. Is what time me you did couple up for me, your darling, ma'am? At what hour? Rush hour? Me just ask you that I want to get it correct. Cause you know me easily lapse in memory now, my baby. Traffic hour. Backside. You look like a chew. So come here now. Then what a way Martin send me one mix up. But me hear the mix up from the other day, but me never take it on. The reason why I never take it on is because I say them the highlights. You get what me I say? Because anytime I call them name, them feel proud. And anytime I don't call them name, like them a wave to me. Call my name. Call my name. Just call my name. Yeah. So come here. So when time I did it, Martin sent me the mix up at twice. Him send me to. So I say, alright, Martin, determine. Guess what the mix up? Them say them back gun pan Switzerland in a ice cream Sunday. Then me Switzerland do a ice cream Sunday. Eh? Swiftly come up now and say, promoters, don't make this affect our dealings. Don't make the rumor. Somebody come up and say, Swiftly a liar. Swiftly, did they back the gun or did they show it to you? Back and show at two different something. Show and back is two different something. Now, Swissers, let me ask you this. The person also went on to say that you ran. Did you run when you look or you look and stand up? Just asking all of these important questions. I don't business. They shouldn't be business. But since they are involved and Martin sent me the mix up, I'm just asking. Swissers, I'm asking these important questions. These questions are highly classified, they are imported. Yeah? So, when the individuals is, backs is the guns is, did you look and turn up or you look and run it? Because we want to know. Them say Swiss is lying. We all know Swiss is a liar. Then Swiss come in and make me ask you something. What motivated you for that ice cream Sunday? Your vehicle? Me just ask you, If your little lifespan has scratched you, I just let me ask all of them important questions. Are you going to prove from people? Me just ask you. Then you know if you see the boy them and buy them something for drink. Cause if the boy them did want to get rid of them, could I get rid of you? You're a little bit enough. You're a little bit enough. But in a business with you, go on anywhere you are go on. Anywhere you are go. No, but it looks so. Anywhere you are go on. Go because you like to play a victim. Go on where you are go. You like to do the things them and come back and play a victim. When we talk about things about you, people say my bad mind you. So you see, if you go ice cream Sunday next week, go and bad it up. That is why I come and say, you see, you, when you come back, me tell him don't go. Cause he must say to me, say, you know, him no grow, none of him picnic them. One bag of lie you tell. You buy out undercover watch, you feel you have the internet behind you. The internet did they behind both said. The internet did they behind Naya. Yeah, me don't know if Naya or Naya being give up behind Naya. You understand me? And where am them? Where am them? The internet did they behind Alex. Where am them? Where am them? Swiftly love the hype. You love the hype. You think so when them do you nothing on your company internet, people must say, no, we are gonna get justice, brotherhood and peace to live with some generally are diligent, something and another. I don't know about Jamaica something, because Jamaica have too much things. You get what me I say? For sure. It's not like on a provoking, on a very provoking. You see you and World Dog, when it's two set of crosses, when it's a set of germs. On a very provoking Wilbert, hold on, let me see which Wilbert this. Cause me Shan. Too much man. Then them did look for that man a look for me. You know the people up on the net, if Rosalie ever cuss me and say man no want me. You see the wickedness in her life? Oh God, them love me. Me so married, you know? No, me so married. The boy say, you think we're gonna find it? Lord, and him just a laugh. I like them, you know? Well, I gotta do something. I gotta. No, mama, we can start good. The world I done, you know? The world is finishing. The world is done. Me nah lie. Then who can upset me there today and two boys are on me down? You must be mad. Money here for yourself, man. On me. What am I going to do this year, Lord? You know, I pray for my basket never to be empty. I pray. Lord, I'm tired. I want to be here. I lift your mood. I don't want them call back. When the Rasta man them, you remember the group when they called me one night? Oh God, I did my loving her. Who remember the group when they called me one night? Me I get one man shortly, you know. Me I gonna get one boy for come kill all the lizard them in here. But me not gonna show him on the net. Me not gonna show him on the net. Me not going to do it and mark your walk or so old. No. Jesus, then somebody no message me this morning. I can't call no name. Why me and the mix up, Lord? Why me and the mix up? Me see my phone a ring 3-way call. People, and this is very serious for me, I tell you now. Because me have the message on my phone, but I don't want to show the people in name. Honestly. Somebody called me Shebada Ramsey. Me see my phone a ring Martin and another name. So me I say, who them here? This shit up here. First I say, I have something to tell you because I run across one video and hear you cuss Marky. And the class, so I say, no, I don't cuss him. I just talk about the true him. So the person say, and that's why I reach out to you. When Marky never have a vehicle, and him used to have to carry Marky did have to suck him cocky to get ride at night time. And now Marky get hype. Marky are going like saying no know Marky all black the individual. Marky then you used to suck cock. Then when you say you use your mouth for test all diabetes. Then all taxi use your mouth as Lyft, Uber. Just me not sure. Jesus have mercy. Me not like people. Yeah. Me I tell you the honest truth with upon my mind from the other day. I'm not play hypocrite. You see, the next time you come back over here, me I go report you to Dan. Here? I'm tired of you. I'm very much so tired. The next time you come over here, TikTok lion, Dan shall pick you up. Let's say so cocky Shebi put on her clothes one night on a Sunday night after 1, after 2, after 3. And so cocky Shebi gone up dolly Sundays. What would you guys say? Come on, peace of bed, children. A year falls one. Two enough 2. You're 2 enough 3. Why you do it? You're 2 enough. Come on, class. I need some more bigger words. You have all right to go. Me not sorry for you. Anna, you're a crowd. Thank you. Inquisitive. Incomplete. What want to you? Alright. You know why my phrase it so? Come on, say this. A lot of us love to jump and vindicate for people who we know in our subconsciousness are willing to do anything out of the way. Fine. They present themselves a particular way to you guys, but after you guys tied into them, you don't know what they might do after hours. Now, when you believe the Swiss leader they in bed, are a concern about him picnic or a rebel uncle, you understand me? He's not doing any of those. Why would you go out in Florida knowing say your friend just now one big excitement and somebody died? You understand what I say, people? Why? No, for real. Why would you do that? Obviously, you never go alone. Secondly, you must be stupid. Thirdly, you are part of the true world. You see what me I say? Because you know your friend just hacked up the place and you decide on going out in Florida, leave your place and say you go out in Florida, knowing that you just showcase yourself on the net over World Dog Yard. You don't know what you do. So when people sooner say, "On the innocent, lie from the pit of hell," lies from the pit of hell, prime example of ghetto life. When every day you see the boy in a sonat, I try hustle at night, him a rap, him a this, him a that, and when nobody they keep them, you say innocent youth. Only not innocent. It's either you did have the shoes by your toe. Come in and think you'd be so stupid for go out without being armed. So when you flip by the net and you say, you're not trouble people. You understand me? You're not trouble people, you're not this, you're not that, you're not blah blah, you're not rare, and people always are draw you into things. You're always in a things. I tell the internet boy long ago, I tell them boy long ago, say he's a big team player. And me first come up and tell the internet say, don't take you as you see you put on this face. Because you have to prove to the gang say you're rough and tough to a son of steel. Every time I look at you, I see mudfish. A son of steel. Wanna play a victim from now till a morning. Yeah, nobody would know say you're room road at night. You're a big man, you know. Nobody knows say you can't do what you can do. You can do anything you please, but don't deceive. Yeah, don't deceive. Do anything you please. A son of steel, when a victim player, when you come up and you suck people's energy and you walk and look at bag of crowd. Me, you and everybody knows say World Dog never get shot. And you come up on the Sunday and say, yeah, on a sick stomach, as God be my witness, on a sick stomach. On a sick, drunk stomach. Me not know, but on a some set of demon like them chip on a early. Like them a test out the chip on you. Me never see a set of germs so yet. On the two. I tell people this every day. Every single day I tell people this. Never people trust Uno. Never trust Uno. I tell people that every day. On a sick stomach, you know, sick drunk stomach. Every day them come up, them put up a front and them do things. And I bet you say if them they lick down Swiss Lee when them did buck him and people are on Swiss Lee dead, I must say Swiss Lee come suck me on him. You that hear them say that boy are wicked, that boy are insensitive, that boy are this, that boy are that, and I must see them see him one away and him not in a nothing, and them a buy out friction, and them a buy out this, and them a buy out that, and if them a World Dog in a things, a World Dog them for rush. If I go to all of the arguments, you know, because Swiss not do nobody nothing. One thing with him in an argument with nobody, him cut and go through, because loving him hard, I'm a messenger lightly. You go man and nick and them not like me. All some thing and them not like me. Me don't know the song. So you see, me have to present myself around you to find out. Because me I say to somebody, say, you see, confirmation, we always mistake it for confrontation. And I want somebody get this in them pipe this morning. Never you miss confirmation for confrontation. Don't do it. You don't need to confront what you already know. Save you the stress. When you know something that comes to fruition, you laugh and your forgiveness is at the door before you even get it. You understand me? before you even get it. So put that in your pipe today and smoke it. So when you know how somebody really looking at real life naturality and you see them under filter, don't get jealous. Do not get jealous. Don't get jealous. Keep it jiggy. Yeah, so back me never done talk about the Swissers. We have to about Ivan if I tell me what about more about Ivan, you know the same Ivan energy. But Ivan can surprise you with now. We don't talk about she, but anyway, Swissers. Yeah. So Swissly, you come out and you say promoter don't let the rumors. Are rumors? Why as you reach a Florida we hear say going back by you? Why Swissly? You come for play your part. For show loyalty. Me I go for Trump. Me I go for Trump brothers. Yeah, you come for play your part towards loyalty. Okay. But always tell the people of this from the app. You see Uno? I don't want to say this. You see no for Uno? People, it's a pity. It's a pity how wanna make people curse on a destiny. It's just a pity. You see, something deep down in the soul tell me, you know, what is right there. You know, when I don't want to bury it deeper. You see, instead of standing up and saving somebody's life, I would rather encourage them in their own demise. As soon as there's dirty people, you know. See, someone have some rotted sickness to get to say. Some things are going to reach someone, you know. Believe you me. You see, it's not all that glitter is gold, you know. And not everything with glitter are gold. Some things are going to beat out on a nastiness. You know what I thank the Lord for? And give me a chance to live in this time. Because you see, for the back in the days when time I gather around things, anything at all you do, you drop down disaster, take your city. If a city it a destroy. When God was in charge. But you see, because him sent Jesus, and Jesus standing in the way and an advocate for us, and that's why we live, so you know. That is why we're living like this. Because when I see evidence of people showcasing firearm on the internet, in them house, say, no, come back, come say, and this is the level of wickedness and demonicness that enough of you will go pick. Yeah, my baby, that enough of you will go pick me up. You see me? I love God, you know, I like where God put me. I can't come here and you can be best friends. Best friends. Me can be cute friends, bona fide friends. And when people say, boy, all in a fair house must look good, me I go say, no, say, me don't know how in the look. And they must say, oh, I'm a friend 20 years. And you don't know how in a fair house look. So she never invited in it. Me say, that's the thing, she not have to invite me in. I mean, I have to make myself available for God inside. We are not friends for what she acquired in life. We are friends in our spirit. We are friends in our soul. You understand me? So we should have it no matter me. If you understand what I mean. But you see, we always make people come in and damage we. Damage us. When you sit down and you see the things them, and you hear people jump up and say, well, at Florida him live and people are fine, so he have to arm up himself. Okay, so when an armed individual out there take the life of your family member, he have to arm up himself. True or false? He have to arm up himself. All of we talk we evil behind a mask. All of we talk our evil behind a mask. All of we have a fake page and we talk we evil behind a mask. So this morning, no, if not did I'm to Swiftly, I say alright then. If not did I'm to Swiftly and them dirty him. This morning we get up, you know me that say? Somebody tell me that say. Me that say, well, Swiss no say did I go home. So why me make himself available? The whole only just say, oh me insensitive. And oh me this. And oh me that. And me ass dead and me cow fat. True or false? We just want to ask you something. God forbid it happen, right? It happened. I'm going to come up this man. I'm saying, don't come over here with this thing because you know, say, I don't like him. The boy make himself available because he knows him did I go home. My skin did I scratch him. He know him did I go. He know he got to go. When you just say, me this and me that and me blah blah, and cancel Shibi. But since it never goes so, him come back to the day and him say, nothing no go so. Him come back to the day and say, nothing no go so. So you see it though, nobody not hold him accountable, you know, for lying, you know. But you not hold somebody else accountable for stating their truth. You see how things go? Because you know say you see people in TikTok money for hype and enemy and both gifters and TikTokers. You know that, you know definitely that, and it almost cost you your life. What is man that thou should be mindful of? And what does it profit a man to gain this world and lose his soul? You got here say, oh God, and I'm sorry for I'm daughter, I'm sorry for. Me not sorry for none of them. Me don't sorry for none of them. If father not sorry, say him have a daughter, not to go in a danger, and him choose danger over him child. Why me supposed to sorry for anybody? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Well, him get a warning. Now on the other hand,